Triple jumper Andre Edwards gave Jamaica its first gold medal at the World Under-20 Championship in Eugene, Oregon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Triple jumper Michael Andre Edwards gave Jamaica its first gold medal at the World Under-20 Championship in Eugene, Oregon, winning the men's triple jump with a personal best and a world leading 17.08 meters with a legal wind reading of 1.1 meters per second. Edwards, who was fourth after 3 rounds, moved into the lead with his fourth attempt, but was overtaken by United States' Miles Nesmith before reclaiming the top spot with the sixth and final jump. Nesmith took silver with a personal best of 16.79 meters, while China's Wu Wang secured bronze with a personal best of 16.36 meters. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.